Hello friends. Suppose you have a 12 volt LED strip light, but unfortunately you don't have any 12 volt battery or a power source. In this case, you only have a simple 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. So, how will you light up this LED strip with a simple 3.7 volt battery? The answer is quite easy. We will use a boost converter in this case. So today, we will try to understand how a boost converter works, and we will make a simple boost converter circuit to understand it practically. Okay, boost converters are the things which can boost up your input voltage and can supply a higher voltage at your output. So first we need a component which can store electricity in it and can give a higher output voltage at its output. And the component is a coil, or so called an inductor. Inductors are the thing which can store energy in its magnetic field when it is connected with a power source, and it discharges the higher output voltage when it is disconnected from the power source. So now we will connect. The circuit will be like this. We have a simple battery as a power source. We will connect the inductor with the positive side of our battery. So now we can realize that we need a switch for connecting and disconnecting the coil to the power source. In circuits we use like Mosfets like IRF-Z44 N-channel Mosfet, but in this case I will use a simple push button switch to describe you manually. Okay, so the circuit will be like this. This is our switch, and the other end of the switch will be connected to the ground. So now we need a component which will store and supply the higher output at the load when the switch is off and the coil is connected to the ground. When the switch is closed, the coil stores electricity in its magnetic field, and when the switch is open, the coil pushes back the electricity with a higher output voltage at the load. So in this case, when the inductor is connected to the ground, there will be no current through the load. So we need a capacitor for this work. The capacitor will be connected through a diode with the inductor, and this is done. This is our super simple boost converter circuit. We will get a higher output from the poles of the capacitor. So the question is, why use this diode? The diode is very essential in this circuit because it prevents the capacitor to discharge itself through the switch when the switch is closed. If it doesn't use the diode, the capacitor will discharge itself through the switch and will not be able to get higher output voltage. Okay guys, now the circuit is complete, and now I will show you how a simple boost converter works. So now I will attach this 3.7 volt lithium ion battery to the circuit, and let's see. Okay, I have attached my multimeter and it is showing 3.3 volt the battery voltage, and now we will rapidly press this button for connecting the coil to the ground and disconnecting from the ground very fast, and let's see what happens. So guys, you can see that we are able to get higher voltage at the output, the output poles of the capacitor, and it is going more. By pressing the switch, we are connecting the inductor to the negative of the battery, and we are completing this circuit, and we are getting more voltage at our output. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned the basic principle of boost converters. In my next video, I will make a simple boost converter. Please like this video and share it. Subscribe to my channel and stay home and enjoy with Mosfet Tech.